Hello guys, my name is Julia. If you have never seen me before, I got my baby girl. I got my daughter here with me. Do you want to tell everyone your name?
Natalina.
Okay, say hi to everyone. We are just going to quickly show you how you can make your own hand sanitizer gel. You all know what is going on in the world, except you are living under the rock, which you are not, obviously. Okay, what you need is only 3 ingredients. That's all you need. You need rubbing alcohol. This is what we got here. This one is 70% rubbing alcohol. And we also have aloe vera gel with tea tree, obviously. And the next thing you need is essential oil. Just you can put between 8 to 15 drops, depends how you want it. Essential oil will give you a bit of fragrance. Aloe vera gel will make, will give you a bit of moisturizer. While alcohol is the big deal. Alcohol is the one that's gonna kill the bacteria. Any bacteria you may pick outside, on a bus, on a train, anywhere you go. When it comes to making your own hand sanitizer gel, the recommendation is, so you actually need from 60% upward. If you think you can use like gin or vodka, all that stuff, guys, if it's less than 60%, it's not obviously gonna kill the bacteria you have in your hands. But if it's 60% to 99.9%, it will work for you. So we have 100% here, which is 99.9%, 2/3 of whatever amount you need to use, then 1/3 of aloe vera gel, then it drops of essential oil. We're doing 200, right? Equal amount we're going to do today. This is 200 because the aloe vera we have is also 200.
No, I think we should use that one because it's bigger.
Okay. We have 200 ml alcohol.
The other side!
Oh, come on, don't be stingy.
Don't be stingy.
Okay. The next step is to add your essential oil. We're going to do 15 drops. So that's 15 drops. So the next thing you need to do, you need some of these. You can get it from Poundland and you can also get it home bag. It's very, very inexpensive. You just need to pour your alcohol gel in your liquid bottle. You see, my daughter and I, we're gonna try make more of this. It's fun making it together. We love making something together like this. We still have more of this we can make.
We don't have any aloe vera.
We can, get more aloe vera.
Get more bottles.
Yeah, and we can go and knock on our neighbor and see who is lack of this stuff. As soon as this whole madness, corona, whatever started. The corona whatever, as soon as it started, guys, you guys are fully aware you can't get hold of hand sanitizer. I be everywhere, literally everywhere.
Or toilet paper, for some reason.
So we just Google it, basically how to make your own hand sanitizer gel. If you can also able to get your hands some of these and aloe vera gel and essential oil you want to make for your neighbor, you want to make for your your grandparent, anything you can do to help at this point. Remember, guys, we have to survive this whole thing. Knock on their door, do shopping for them, make some of this and give it to them. Just basically anything at all.
Or if you have grandparents that are like over 70 and have health conditions, and try not to go to them because they might get because you might have it with no symptoms and then you might pass it on to them.
Heard what baby girl has said now. So guys, that's all you can do really, just make sure you look after, you know, people you care about. At this point, there is nothing else we can do. It's here now. And yes, so guys, make sure you share this video, and maybe someone might learn something from me. Maybe it might help someone. If it help you or not, just thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you. Bye bye.